Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you rose quartz nail art design step by step guide. These rose quartz nails are about self care and self love, says allies of the inspiration for this manicure. For a look like good rose quartz nail art design which is extremely detailed. You can't go wrong with press ons which have very similar gold foil. Let's talk to our next design is bondage theme accent. Swana Walker of this BDSM inspired manicure which is highly detailed and impressive. Also note that the flame emblazoned accent nails as they add just another level of intricacy to the look. To achieve this at home, you will need to fine line brush, black and red nail liqueurs and a very steady hand. Our next style is red, pink and purple nail art design. Walker created this fairy look by first painting the nails with a high peachy pink base. Then she hand drew a flames using a fine line brush and flamingo pink red and lavender polishes. Definitely don't forget to use a top coat when doing this look at home, as it will give the nails a glossy finish and of course help prevent smoke dogging. Our next design is pastel hearts. When doing here heart nail art, start with two side by side dots, then pull each to meeting point below with a small detail brush. Another tip from Herrera, plays with your background colors to contrast your art and make it pop. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Bye.